Hustle is just giving it your all every day, giving 110%. You know, the interesting thing about hustle to me is it's actually a reflection of caring and integrity. You give 110% all the time, good things are going to happen to you. You know, we all have bad days. I don't know if anybody can truly give 110% 100% of the time, but I feel like our folks have come pretty damn close. You know, the service department is probably where hustle is most important. When you say the word service department, the word service comes to servicing your vehicle. But we're not really servicing your vehicle, we're servicing the people, we're servicing the customer. If you're very efficient with what you're doing, if you're getting lots of cars in and out of the service department, you're hustling, you don't have to charge as much, which I think our customers appreciate. I think a lot of the hustle that comes with the body shop is being that middle person between the insurance company and the customer and doing what's best for the customer. Even if that means spending extra time and effort with the insurance company to explain to them why we need to either upgrade the part or take longer to get the part or keep the customer in a rental car longer, or sometimes why we should tow the vehicle and not fix it at all. The typical salesman, not necessarily the Moses salesperson, but the typical salesperson is notorious for taking the easy way out, right? Looking for the path of least resistance. And there's lots of things you can do from a sales standpoint to help the customer that I would consider hustling, giving them options, vehicle options. Hey, you know, I know you came in here looking for this vehicle, but maybe a used version, you know, maybe they came in looking for used and we said, well, gosh, Mr. Customer, this new vehicle could actually meet your needs better. Or reverse, you came in looking for a new vehicle and gosh, we've got one that just has doesn't have a whole lot of miles, it'll be perfect for you.